Hey guys, so today is January 3rd. It's a Tuesday. I'm working today, but the plan is to get this shop cleaned up so I can start being productive. I've got to surface this CNC. I've got to build I'm going to turn these tool cabinets into a miter saw station, and I'll take you guys along for that journey. But Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you've had a great 2022. Let's look forward to a wonderful 2023. Thanks. Okay, you can see from my sweater it's the next day. I am here tramming the CNC. I have the open builds CNC, and I bought the Queen Bee upgrade from Bulkman. So, as you can tell, it's a mishmash of many different machines, and I build it myself. Back to tramming this, I'm using a dial indicator, and instead of chasing thousandths of an inch on these machines, they're just not accurate enough, and I'm just not that guy. Sorry about the angle of the camera. It's not getting the dial indicator in there. What I've done is I took a tile, and right now what I'm doing is leveling the tile out with the dial indicator so that it's level. And once it's level, then I adjust the carriage that the router is in. One thing about these particular machines, there is no adjustment on the Z-axis. So you rely on shims and on just other methods to adjust the router. That being said, for what it is, I can get it. My next machine will not be bought unless it has adjustments on it. As you can see, I'm getting this dialed in, and I got it within a couple of thousandths of an inch, and that's more than good enough for a woodworking machine. Okay, here's a clip of that floor tile. It's a granite tile that I got from Lowe's, and you can see on the corners I've used paper shims to shim that up square. So there's not a lot of resources about tramming these machines, so I just wanted to get my take on it. It can be done. It takes a lot of work, and that's something I wish they would address, is how to do that. There's not a lot of resources on it. Anyway, enjoy the new year. Talk to you later.